Let's talk instead about a mystery interstellar object that was spotted by astronomers last week. It could be the oldest comet ever seen. It's only the third time that we've actually detected an object that has come from beyond our solar system.
Right now, something truly rare is happening in space, and most people on Earth don't even realize it. Astronomers across the world are quietly watching a single object as it races through our solar system at incredible speed. This object does not belong here. It never did. It came from far beyond the reach of our sun, from deep interstellar space. Its name is 3I/ATLAS, and scientists are calling this discovery unprecedented. Not because it's dangerous and not because it sounds like science fiction, but because objects like this are extraordinarily rare. Each one carries real physical information from a place humanity has never visited. If you enjoy calm, clear explanations of real space discoveries and cosmic events, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications, because stories like this are exactly what we focus on here. Why everyone is watching 3I/ATLAS. 3I/ATLAS is only the third confirmed interstellar object ever detected passing through our solar system. For decades, astronomers believe such objects must exist. After all, star systems form planets, asteroids, and comets, and during those chaotic early stages, many objects are violently ejected into deep space. Logic suggested that some of those wanderers should occasionally drift through other star systems, including our own. The problem was never theory, the problem was detection. Interstellar space is unimaginably vast. The distances between stars are so great that even objects hundreds of meters wide become nearly invisible against the background of space. These objects do not reflect much sunlight, they move extremely fast, and they pass through the inner solar system quickly. Until recently, our telescopes simply weren't sensitive or fast enough to notice them in time. The discovery of 3I/ATLAS changes that narrative. It suggests that interstellar objects may not be extraordinarily rare after all. Instead, it may be that our observational technology has finally caught up. Modern sky surveys scan the entire sky repeatedly, using automated systems and artificial intelligence to flag anything that behaves strangely. And 3I/ATLAS behaved very strangely. What interstellar really means? The word interstellar literally means between stars. But in astronomy, it carries a much deeper meaning. Most objects we observe, planets, moons, asteroids, comets, are gravitationally bound to the sun. They form from the same cloud of gas and dust about 4.6 billion years ago and follow predictable orbital paths. Even comets that come from the distant Oort cloud are still part of our solar system. Interstellar objects are fundamentally different. They are not bound to any star. They were born around another star entirely, shaped by different temperatures, pressures, and chemical environments. At some point, likely during the early chaos of planetary formation, gravitational interactions flung them out of their home systems at tremendous speeds. Once ejected, these objects become cosmic nomads. They drift through the galaxy for millions or even billions of years. They endure extreme cold close to absolute zero. They are bombarded by cosmic radiation. They pass through regions of near total darkness, where starlight is faint and distant. By the time one of these objects enters our solar system, it has already survived conditions that most solar system objects never experience. That is why scientists find them so valuable. A visitor from another star system. 3I/ATLAS likely formed around a star far from our own, possibly thousands of light years away. That star may still exist, or it may have already died, exploding as a supernova or fading into a quiet stellar remnant. The material inside 3I/ATLAS was shaped under conditions completely different from those that formed Earth, Mars, or Jupiter. Its chemistry may reflect temperatures hotter or colder than anything found in our solar system. Its internal structure may have been altered by radiation levels far higher than those near our sun. During its long interstellar journey, 3I/ATLAS became a kind of cosmic time capsule. It preserved information about the environment where it formed and the galaxy it travelled through. When it entered our solar system, it brought that information with it, without the need for spacecraft, propulsion systems, or decades-long missions. Studying this object is like receiving a physical sample from another planetary system, delivered naturally across the galaxy. How 3I/ATLAS was discovered. 3I/ATLAS was detected by the ATLAS survey system, short for Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System. This network of telescopes was designed primarily for planetary defense. Its job is to identify near-Earth objects that might pose a future risk. Ironically, 3I/ATLAS was never dangerous. What caught astronomers' attention wasn't its size or brightness, it was its speed. The object was moving far too fast to be gravitationally bound to the Sun. Even objects falling in from the distant edges of the solar system slow down as they approach. 3I/ATLAS did not. When scientists calculated its trajectory, the numbers told a clear story. Its path was hyperbolic, meaning it would never loop back around the Sun. It was simply passing through. There was no reasonable explanation except one: this object came from outside our solar system. Why this discovery is unprecedented. What makes 3I/ATLAS especially fascinating is how it behaves under close observation. Its brightness fluctuates in unexpected ways, suggesting an irregular shape or unusual surface properties. Its motion shows subtle deviations that don't perfectly match standard models of asteroids or comets. These irregularities hint that interstellar objects may be far more diverse than scientists previously imagined. Until recently, researchers assumed most interstellar visitors would resemble familiar objects, icy comets or rocky asteroids. But 3I/ATLAS challenges that assumption. It may represent a new category of object, one that formed under conditions we don't yet fully understand. Each unexpected behaviour forces scientists to refine their models of planetary formation, not just in our solar system, but across the entire galaxy. Why scientists are racing against time. Interstellar objects do not linger. 3I/ATLAS is moving at tens of kilometres per second relative to the Sun. That speed means the window for observation is short, measured in weeks or months, not years. Once it passes through the inner solar system, it will fade rapidly as it heads back into the darkness between stars. That is why telescopes around the world are currently focused on it. Observatories are collecting data across multiple wavelengths: visible light, infrared, and radio, trying to extract as much information as possible before the opportunity is gone forever. There will be no second chance with this object. What scientists are trying to learn. Researchers are asking very specific, carefully framed questions. What is 3I/ATLAS made of? Rock, ice, metal, or a mixture? Does it release gas as it approaches the Sun? Is it rotating? And if so, how fast? Does its surface change as it warms? Does it show signs of internal structure or layering? Each answer matters. Even small details can dramatically alter our understanding of how planetary systems form and evolve. For example, if 3I/ATLAS contains unusual chemical compounds, it could suggest that certain materials are far more common in the galaxy than previously thought. What this means for our view of the galaxy. For much of human history, the solar system was viewed as an isolated island in space. Interstellar objects destroy that illusion. They show that matter moves freely between stars. Dust, ice, and rock travel vast distances over cosmic timescales. This means star systems are not sealed environments. They exchange material, sometimes violently, sometimes quietly. 3I/ATLAS is direct, physical evidence that the galaxy is dynamic, interconnected, and constantly evolving. Why scientists are being careful. You may see dramatic headlines online, but professional astronomers are cautious by necessity. Extraordinary discoveries demand extraordinary evidence and careful interpretation. There is no need for exaggeration. The real story of 3I/ATLAS is already remarkable. Science advances not through speculation, but through patient measurement, verification, and peer review. Could 3I/ATLAS be older than the Sun? One of the most intriguing possibilities is that 3I/ATLAS may have formed before our solar system existed. If true, it contains material older than the Sun itself. Studying such material could reveal what the galaxy was like before Earth formed. what elements were common, what conditions dominated, and how early planetary systems behaved. Why this matters to life in the universe. Interstellar objects raise profound questions. If rocks and ice can travel between star systems, could complex organic molecules do the same? Could the building blocks of life spread naturally across the galaxy? There are no answers yet, but objects like 3IATLAS allow scientists to explore these questions using real data, not science fiction. What comes next? The discovery of multiple interstellar objects suggests many more will be found in the future. Scientists hope to detect them earlier, track them longer, and eventually send missions to intercept them. 3IATLAS is helping researchers prepare for that future. Each discovery improves our ability to understand the next visitor when it arrives. A brief moment in cosmic time. Soon, 3IATLAS will leave our solar system forever. It will return to the darkness between stars, carrying its secrets with it. But for a brief moment in cosmic time, humanity has the chance to observe it and learn. Final thoughts. This discovery is not about danger. It is not about fear. It is about understanding. A visitor from another star system is passing quietly through our cosmic neighbourhood, reminding us how much there still is to learn about the universe. Discoveries like 3IATLAS remind us that the universe is vast, ancient, and full of surprises. If you enjoyed this deep, calm exploration of real space science, subscribe to the channel. You'll find the full video link in the description. Share it with anyone who loves space and discovery. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next.